Hey there, let's turn some trash into treasure. You will need a tin, a jar, or a bottle, and some lights. I'm using a sapphire gin bottle, the 5th size, small size, with the label taken off. This really cool coffee tin that I got for $1.50 at Goodwill, and you can find these on eBay for $10, around $10. And I used a chisel, sharp chisel with a hammer to poke the holes in the tin that I needed. And I used this dollar store battery operated light set. I think I got it from Dollar Tree, so it was $1. I've seen them at Dollar General. You can use anything that you like that coordinates with what you're making. You need to poke a hole in the bottom of the back side of the tin, whatever side you decide is the back side, and feed your lights through the back and up through the hole that you have somehow made in the top of the tin, which I used the poke a bunch of little holes with a chisel and a hammer in there and then squish it open until it fits method. You can use whatever method you like. Okay, and then to attach the battery pack to the back of my light, I'm using double-sided tape so that I can remove it if I need to in the future if the battery pack stops working or something of that nature. You could use hot glue, that would come off too. If you wanted it to be completely permanent, you could use E6000 or crazy glue, however you can get it to stick on there. Now, theoretically, you can just feed this through your jar or your bottle and be done, but my hole that I opened up in the top of my tin is a little crazy looking and not exactly perfect for my bottle. So I'm going to hot glue it in there. And then I have some embellishments, which are basically just Christmas picks that I had left over from last year. I have no idea where I got them from, but I will show you in a minute what the tag looks like. So maybe some of you would know if you wanted to try to recreate this exact same thing. So I'm just putting enough hot glue there to keep it stable, kind of create like a little bit of a seal. And that's that. Actually, this looks pretty great as is, and from far away you can't see that little bit of weirdness where the two meet, but I can, so I'm going to use these old Christmas picks to cover that up. I'm just going to use some hot glue and cover over that little bit. I think it adds a little bit of something to it, brings the gold together of the lights in the jar and the tin. So I'll speed that up when I'm doing that, but just kind of show you the process of what I had going on there. So here is the finished product. It's actually sitting where I have it on display in my home above my liquor cabinet where I have some of my fall colored glass collection. And it looks really great there. It's a gin bottle, so it goes with the theme. And the colors fit in really well with the amber glass. And here you can see it's portable. I put it over by my sink in my kitchen. And it looks really pretty. It actually gives off a fair amount of light, as you can see here, where I moved it into this spare bedroom, and the The walls are a really dark blue. The light isn't on, and it is giving off a lot of light. And it just looks really pretty. It's portable, which makes it really easy. There it is with the light on. And that trim, I think, gives it just a little extra. You could use any number of things at that joint there to embellish your project. And I hope that you experiment with this on your own using whatever bottles or jars that you find interesting and whatever tins that you can find. It's a fun project. It's literal trash into treasure. And if you want to recreate this exact one, like I said, you can find these tins on eBay. If you enjoyed this DIY, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to my channel for more DIYs to come. And thank you so much for watching.